ever wondered why some cars run perfectly for decades while others break down after just a few years? Imagine driving your car for 200,000 miles or more without ever needing a major engine repair. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not just luck. There are a few simple things you can do to keep your engine running smoothly for a lifetime. Think about it. Your engine is the heart of your car. If it fails, you're looking at expensive repairs or even replacing the entire vehicle. But here's the good news. With the right care, you can prevent costly breakdowns and keep your engine in top condition for years to come. And no, this isn't about spending thousands of dollars on fancy treatments or unnecessary add-ons. It's about following 3 simple but extremely effective habits that most car owners ignore. In this video, I'm going to reveal these 3 must-know engine-saving tips. Whether you're driving a brand new car or one that's already seen its fair share of miles, these tricks will help you avoid engine failures and costly repairs. Stick around till the end, because the last tip is something that could literally save your engine from disaster. Let's get started. The first and most important thing is regular oil changes. If you've ever wondered why some engines last 200,000 miles or more, while others break down much sooner, the answer often comes down to oil maintenance. Neglecting oil changes can lead to engine wear, overheating, and even complete failure. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to explain why regular oil changes are so important, how often you should do them, and a few common mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get started. Your engine is made up of many moving parts. Pistons, crankshafts, valves, and more, all working together at high speeds and temperatures. Without oil, these metal parts would grind against each other, causing excessive heat and friction, which could lead to serious damage. Engine oil acts as a lubricant, reducing friction and preventing your engine from overheating or wearing out prematurely. But here's the problem. Over time, engine oil gets dirty. As you drive, dust, debris, and tiny metal particles from the engine get mixed into the oil, making it less effective at protecting your engine. Old, dirty oil can become thick and sludgy, leading to poor lubrication, overheating, and even complete engine failure if ignored for too long. That's why changing your oil on time is one of the easiest yet most effective ways to extend your engine's life. Now, a lot of people ask, how often should I change my oil? Well, the answer depends on a few factors, such as the type of oil you use, your driving habits, and your car's make and model. If you're using conventional oil, most mechanics recommend changing it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. If you're using synthetic oil, you can go longer, typically 7,500 to 10,000 miles between oil changes. Some newer cars even have oil life monitoring systems, which tell you exactly when to change the oil, based on real-time engine conditions. But here's something many people don't realize. Driving habits play a huge role in how often you should change your oil. If you do a lot of stop-and-go driving, tow heavy loads, or drive in extreme weather conditions, your oil can break down faster, meaning you might need to change it more frequently. On the other hand, if you mostly do highway driving, your oil might last longer. Now let's talk about some common oil change mistakes that can actually harm your engine instead of protecting it. One of the biggest mistakes is using the wrong oil type. Every car has a recommended oil type, whether it's 5W30, 10W40, or fully synthetic. Using the wrong viscosity or low quality oil can lead to poor lubrication and engine damage. Always check your owner's manual to make sure you're using the correct oil. Another common mistake is not changing the oil filter. A lot of people change their oil, but forget to replace the oil filter. The filter catches dirt and debris, preventing them from circulating in your engine. If you don't change it, that dirty oil will just keep running through your engine, making the oil change almost useless. Another mistake people make is ignoring oil change intervals. Some people push their oil changes way past the recommended mileage, thinking it won't make a difference. The truth is, once oil breaks down, it can't properly protect your engine, leading to costly damage. Always stay on top of your oil change schedule. Lastly, overfilling or underfilling oil can be harmful. Too much oil oil can create excess pressure and leaks, while too little oil can cause overheating and friction. Always use the correct amount as specified in your car's manual. So, to sum it all up, regular oil changes are the key to keeping your engine running smoothly for years. Fresh oil keeps your engine lubricated, prevents overheating, and reduces wear and tear. Ignoring oil changes may seem like a small thing at first, but over time, it can lead to severe engine damage and expensive repairs. Next up, don't ignore your cooling system. We're talking about something that many car owners overlook until it's too late. Your engine's cooling system. Did you know that overheating is one of the leading causes of engine failure? That's right. Your engine generates a massive amount of heat while running, and if the cooling system isn't working properly, that heat can build up, causing serious damage. A blown head gasket, a warped cylinder head, or even a completely seized engine. These are just some of the expensive problems that can happen when you ignore your cooling system. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break down why your cooling system is so important, how to maintain it properly, and the warning signs that something might be wrong. Let's get started. Your cooling system's main job is to regulate your engine's temperature and prevent it from getting too hot. It does this by circulating coolant, also called antifreeze, through the engine, absorbing heat and carrying it to the radiator, where it gets released into the air. The system consists of several key components: the radiator, water pump, thermostat, cooling fan, and hoses. If any one of these parts fails, the cooling system won't be able to do its job, and your engine temperature can rise dangerously fast. That's why routine maintenance is so important, because a small issue, like a tiny coolant leak, can turn into a huge problem if ignored. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not checking their coolant levels regularly. Coolant gradually evaporates over time, and if you don't top it off, your engine might not have enough fluid to stay cool. A quick way to check is to pop the hood and look at the coolant reservoir. There should be minimum and maximum markings. If the fluid is low, you need to add more, but be sure to use the correct type of coolant recommended by your car's manufacturer. Mixing the wrong coolant types can lead to poor performance or even clog your cooling system. And remember, never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. The pressure inside can cause hot coolant to spray out and burn you. Another key part of cooling system maintenance is flushing and replacing your coolant on time. Over time, coolant can become contaminated with dirt, rust, and other particles, making it less effective at keeping your engine cool. Most manufacturers recommend flushing and replacing your coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, but always check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your vehicle. Skipping this step can lead to blockages in the radiator and cooling passages, reducing the system's ability to remove heat efficiently. Now, let's talk about signs that your cooling system might be failing. The most obvious sign is your temperature gauge creeping into the red zone. If you see that happening while driving, pull over as soon as possible and let the engine cool down. Another sign is coolant leaks. If you notice a bright green, orange, or pink fluid under your car, it could mean a leaking hose, radiator, or water pump. You might also experience steam coming from under the hood, which is a clear indication that your engine is overheating. Other warning signs include a sweet smell inside the car, which could mean a heater core leak, or your car taking longer than usual to warm up, which could indicate a failing thermostat. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Get your cooling system checked immediately before a small issue turns into a major repair. Lastly, let's talk about how you can prevent overheating and cooling system failures. First, always check your coolant levels at least once a month. Second, inspect your radiator, hoses, and water pump regularly for any signs of leaks or wear. Hoses should feel firm and not too soft or brittle. Third, replace your thermostat if needed. A bad thermostat can get stuck closed, preventing coolant from flowing properly. And finally, if you drive in extreme weather conditions, whether it's hot summers or freezing winters, make sure you're using the right mix of coolant and water to keep your system running efficiently. So, to sum it up, your cooling system is your engine's lifeline, and ignoring it can lead to severe overheating and costly repairs. By keeping an eye on your coolant levels, replacing coolant when necessary, and watching for warning signs, you can prevent breakdowns and keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Finally, drive smart and avoid unnecessary stress on your engine. We're talking about how your driving habits affect your engine's lifespan. Many people don't realize that aggressive driving, unnecessary idling, and poor gear shifting can cause extra wear and tear, leading to expensive repairs. But with a few smart driving habits, you can keep your engine running smoothly for years. Let's break it down. First, avoid aggressive acceleration and sudden braking. Flooring the gas pedal forces your engine to work harder, generating excessive heat and stress. Instead, accelerate smoothly and gradually to reduce strain on your engine and improve fuel efficiency. Similarly, slamming on the brakes repeatedly can affect your transmission and engine mounts, so try to anticipate stops ahead of time. Next, don't let your car idle for too long, especially in cold weather. Many people believe they need to let their car warm up for several minutes, but modern engines warm up best when driven gently. Idling too much leads to carbon buildup and wasted fuel, so start driving within 30 seconds to a minute after turning on your car. Another key habit is keeping your RPMs in check. Driving at high RPMs for too long increases heat and friction, wearing down vital engine components. If you drive a manual car, shift gears at the right time. And if you drive an automatic, avoid pushing the engine too hard when accelerating. Also, don't overload your car unnecessarily. Carrying excess weight or towing beyond your vehicle's capacity puts extra strain on the engine. If you tow often, make sure your car is rated for it, and always drive carefully on inclines to prevent overheating. Lastly, regular maintenance is key. Even if you drive carefully, skipping oil changes, ignoring the check engine light, or neglecting air filter replacements can lead to major problems. Follow your car's maintenance schedule to keep everything in top shape. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful in keeping your engine running smoothly for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance and smart driving habits can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more car care tips. Also, turn on the notification bell so you're always updated when we drop new videos. And while you're here, why not check out some of our other videos? Click on one of these to learn more about car maintenance, engine longevity, and smart driving tips. Whether you want to know about oil changes, cooling systems, or ways to improve fuel efficiency, we've got you covered. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and take care.